Hey everyone, this is Sunglass Rob from SportRx, and I'm here with Nick from Oakley to talk about the new Holston. I'm really glad you're here because this Holston does not fit Sunglass Rob.
Glad to be here.
I just talked about myself in the third person.
That's when you know you've made it.
Talking about third, this is the 3-point fit system. All right, let's get serious. This is the Holston. It's a new one from Oakley. Super lightweight. It's kind of a cross between a fashion and sport pair. Yeah. I think you can get away with doing some sports in here without having an overly sporty look. The secret to that is a couple of things. The 3-point fit system, so the glasses fit all the way back. Instead of hooking behind your ear, they kind of gently grab your skull.
They do.
I always feel weird saying gently grab your skull, but it's true.
It's like a head hug.
Oh yes, I like that.
Yeah, head hug.
Head hug. That's why you work for Oakley.
TM.
Yeah, so it's got a little bit of a grip also on the nose. So there's like some secret unobtanium right there on the nose. So it's gonna be, the hotter you get and the more you sweat, the stickier and tackier it gets. So it'll activate when you need it to. And I think these would stay in place pretty good if you're doing some activity.
Yeah, they fit really, really well. I think it would be something that you can take from pretty much any activity to your general everyday wear. And,
yeah, if you're gonna have a couple of brewskis with the bros after your ride, you can change out of your Lycra kit, but you can wear the same glasses.
Or iced teas if you want.
Yeah, Long Island.
More your speed.
Iced teas.
Sure.
We're talking about
Fireballs.
Yeah, anyways. Yeah. Hi, Kyle. Anyways, the 3-point fit system really helps. The Unobtanium really helps. The other thing to talk about is the fit on these glasses. Yeah. They definitely don't fit me. This is, I think it's not even a small to medium. I think it's a small.
It's not terrible.
Small to medium, maybe. So you're about a small to medium, 7 1/4 hat size. Throw them on again for the good people in the internet world. I think they fit you kind of perfect. I'm a large to extra large, sometimes 2X, 7 5/8 hat size. I would definitely call these too small for me. I think this is a little bit, I'd rock the Target line if I was going for the same kind of idea.
Right.
We got a video on the Target line too.
Check it out.
Anyways, if you want some more technical information about the Holston, pull it out of your holster. I see what I did there. The width of the lens is 58 millimeters. The height of the lens is 38 millimeters. The bridge area is 16 millimeters. The temple length is 140, and the temple to temple width of the frame is that perfect small to medium, 131 millimeters. That is the Holston. It's totally RXable, so you can get it in prescription if need be, or in non-prescription if need be, from SportRx.com. If you have any more questions, what should you do, Nick?
You should email info@sportrx.com.
He's learning.
That's the one, right?
What if you put a comment in the comment sections? Would we respond to questions?
Yeah, always.
Yeah. And if you like this video,
give it a thumbs up, maybe 2 of them.
2 thumbs up?
2.
You can only do 1 at a time.
We'll just do it multiple times then.
Yeah, I don't know if it works that way. All right, bye.